Floor washing. If there's anything I'll take away from this city is that people like clean goats. Hey man, bang it. Go ahead. Bang it, bang it. Sunday night in Gore special. We got some fish. We got some nice chicken. Say hello. Where are we going? Alright, out there. This is the earliest sail you've had, is it? Okay, man! Alright! Woohoo! Alright! Cheers from Gorey Island! Gorey Island! Yeah! He's always cold. Here. How was your drive? How was your drive?
It was okay.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good.
Are you well rested? You had a nice day off?
I got a good day off.
Awesome. Look at how nice it is.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice lake. Voila.
Voila.
Hey, here we are in Lake Rose. How's it going? My new friend. If she had any bananas up there, I'd buy them, but unfortunately, she has bracelets, and I'm not
Very
looking
nice.
for bracelets. Oh well.
Oh.
Okay, very nice. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Like super slum, but look at the kids. They're having a good time. Oh, hey! Bonsoir, monsieur! C'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon. We are in Park Jude here. Your name is?
Mr. Fun.
Mr. Fun?
Yes.
Hi, Mr. Fun. I'm Mr. Doom and Gloom. Doom and Gloom. Well, you know, I'm mixed up Mr. Fun. We'll make a good company.
Stefan.
Stefan?
Yeah.
He's just a doom and gloom.
life of a young pelican. It's rough. Go out all day, all night, eat all the fish you want, party with the gals. Nice.
Oysters by the thousands. Fresh oysters. Go ahead, eat it. Eat it, Craig. Eat it. Swallow it. Don't choke.
Oh, I got it.
All right, Marmaduke, thank you. Good tour. Good tour. We got Jiggy Jiggy.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so after an hour and a half of sitting and doing nothing, we have moved. Will we continue? We are now on our 4th CD since waiting. Woohoo! I'm not gonna wait till we're in. Wait till we're in. Oh, one more. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
I don't think either.
Ah, fuck. We're just waiting.
Yeah,
Fucking kidding.
we're waiting in the shade.
Oh, God. So it's another 2 hours wait. It is 5:18 and we're fucked. Well, the good news is we're on the ferry. The bad news is we might be stuck in Gambia for a month because seems like every African country is now shutting.
I think tomorrow we ought to call the tourism office.
We are very, very seriously considering bailing on this entire thing. Going to Istanbul tomorrow. And waiting it out because we may be stuck in Gambia for God knows what. So I think that's what we're. So we all just decided to leave tomorrow. We had a final lovely dinner here in Gambia. And yeah, we're all leaving on the same flight to Istanbul tomorrow. This sucks. It feels like a funeral. Fuck Corona! Fuck Corona!
See you in November of 2020.
God damn it. This is the beginning of the end. But I'll probably see you inside. If I don't, it's been great.
It's been fun.
Yeah,
It's been real fun.
I'll probably see you in like 15 minutes. There you go.
Sorry. Yeah.
Safe drive back. Be safe. Tell Roseanne I said hi. Thank you.
You're sitting on this open hatchback for the last half hour, hashing out everything. And I've decided I'm going to leave. So,
Yeah. Be safe. Be
Sucks.
safe.
All right, man.
Be safe.
Say goodbye to Africa.